Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I will like to talk about the Zoom application on iPhone. So if you are wondering what features that you can use for your meeting with the Zoom application, it could be avatar. So by using this avatar, you can like hide your truly face in your online meeting so that you feel much more confident probably. So here, if you want to get or customize the avatar, you just need to open this application on your phone and then just tap into the three small dots on the bottom right corner, and now we just need to open the settings and click this meetings. And the next thing you need to do is just go take a look and focus on the video. That could be a background and effect, so you just need to tap on it. And the next, you will get a simulation of the Zoom camera hits, and then there could be like three options here, and just go click into the avatar. If you want to create a new avatar, just go tap into this add, and then you can like adjusting everything so from the beginning, like skin, face, hair color, eye color, and so on and so on. Just make sure that you created close enough with the true of you. You can adjusting the shape of your face, and the hair you can also adjusting the hair if you want. And now you can also adjusting the hair color too. If you have a black, just go pick black, and then you can also adjusting for the eyes. If you have a big eyes, just tap into this big one. And then for the eye color, make sure that you also got similar with you, and so on and so on. I just need to adjust everything just to represent that the avatar is perfectly matched with the truly looks of you. And right after you're done, you can just go click save. And now you already got the new avatar. So if you want to apply that into the whole meeting, you just need to tap on it, and then you just need to tap OK, and then you can start the meeting with your look like this. So your true face could be hidden into the whole video meeting. So that's for this tutorial. Hopefully you enjoy this, and let's meet again into other tutorial.